So, real life of Madalyn. I'm so stressed. Can you tell? This thing is Mount Everest. It hurts so bad. I'm so overwhelmed because I'm supposed to move in less than a week. I don't have housing secured. Now there's drama with getting housing. And it's just ridiculous. Like, so ridiculous. When I said in my vlog that like real estate or whatever is a whole different ball game in New York, I truly mean it. There are 40 different things you have to do. You have to get approved by such and such, and sometimes one thing doesn't go through and then you're screwed with one of the other people you're communicating. Oh my God. Is this being an adult? Just being overwhelmed all the time with like legal stuff and money stuff? Good God. I'm so stressed. And take a breath. It's just ridiculous because I'm doing my part. I'm doing all that I can. And I'm doing all I know how to do. And apparently like something is wrong because I've never done this before. And it needs to be done immediately because I'm going to go crazy if I don't get housing secured today. And on top of that, I just started cleaning stuff out and started packing, not clothes yet. I'll give you a view in a second, but mainly just like household stuff that I've accumulated from moving different places. You know, I hope when I upload this, I'm in a much better mood. I'll be in New York. Actually, I'll be moving in whenever I upload this. Hopefully it's at the place that I'm having all the issues with. It's my dream apartment though. Fingers crossed. Wanted to document this because this whole process seems so glamorous and so cool, but I'm literally ready to rip my hair out. I feel sick. My face is breaking out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. My fingers are infected. There is just like so much going on. So funny how like life got this interesting so quickly. And now I'm like, make it stop, make it stop. I have to go get ready for work. And I'm looking forward to going to work because it'll give me a break from all of this ridiculousness. And I'm going to be so mad if this person calls me back and says I haven't been approved and I need to do 40 other steps. Sorry, you're probably not here to see me complain. I am so grateful that I have this opportunity coming up, but it's really frustrating trying to secure it. So this is currently my view, starting the packing process. What are the odds we think I can get all of that to New York, plus the things in my closet? Let me know. You guys, I'm at work. I hope you can hear me. I just got approved for my apartment. Yes! I just have to sign the lease agreement and it's official. It's official. We are moving. So we're putting a dent in clothes. Those are all of the hangers that we've gone through. An entire IKEA tote full. We've gone through this rack. These are all like really heavy sweaters. I'm not thinking it's gonna get super cold in New York until next year, I guess. If it does, Mom will just send them to me. And then walking in my room, a little bit messy. I've gone through my jeans, Spanx leggings. What is that? Oh, that's like just bottoms. Dresses, and then I think this is what I'm gonna wear for the week leading up to when we leave. So there's even stuff over here. It's just everywhere. So you'll have to excuse the lighting. My room is very dark. So I was just cleaning out my pad folio, which is one of those like portfolio looking books that has notebook paper in it, and I got it, I think, for my mom right before my Kleinfeld internship. And I went to clean it out and I have to show you guys what I found. So first of all, these are like all the jobs that I recently went through and interviewed for. Yeah, this is all my preparation work. There's even more pages that you can't see, but I just took all of these out since, you know, I'm moving on from these, but look at what I found. So here's my Padfolio. I'm on the floor, but I found my internship packet in the Padfolio. How cute. And then I just have like some prep work for it. This is so cute. This is so, so cute. I think I have to keep it in here for like good luck, and I don't know. It's just so cute to see how life has come full circle. I'm seriously so excited. Mom and I have been packing all day today. And when I say all day, I literally mean from like 11 to it's 5 or 6 something, nonstop. And we got pretty much everything done. And by everything, I mean my clothes. I obviously couldn't take everything, but my closet literally looks like I haven't put a dent in it. And smart idea, if you're packing, moving, whatever, if you have a lot of clothes, or I don't know, if you just don't have like a lot of space, we got vacuum seal bags. And they're really, really helping a lot. So I think when all is said and done with my clothes, we'll have like 6 bags. And then we're putting the bags in suitcases and filling in with miscellaneous stuff. But that way, when we get to the city, we can just like roll them down the street and it won't be like lugging boxes. So that is what we have been up to today. It's currently Sunday before I leave. I'm leaving this Thursday. 4 days. I really can't believe it. So I'm about to go have dinner and then I'm going to resume packing. It's honestly been so hard packing because I want to take everything. Like, I love everything I have or else I wouldn't have it. And I've got a little studio in Manhattan and it obviously can't fit all of it. So I'm having to like decide, what Harry posters do I take? I don't know. I have like 6. I can't take all 6. But yeah, I've just been condensing and picking and choosing today and not done yet. I think the last major thing that I need to go through is household stuff. So kitchen and then cleaning and all that. Luckily, the apartment that I got is like partially furnished. So I don't have to take my own furniture, which is super nice. So the car is going to be so stuffed, like so stuffed. This is literally like the definition of the Virgo and my mom and I. This morning we had a trial run of how we're going to put the suitcases in her car. Like how we're going to geometrically fit them all in there. Yeah. We had a trial run, but we think we know what we're going to do. And we're going to have the car mostly packed Wednesday night. So all we'll have to do is just like hop in the car. I don't know if I've said this yet, but Mom and I are driving to Pennsylvania on Thursday. So it's going to be about 8.5 hours and we're stopping there for the night. And then we're going to drive into Manhattan on Friday morning. And that is when I move in. So that's the plan. Ugh. I really can't believe it. I was so overwhelmed at first today and I've been overwhelmed, but now I'm like ready. Like I'm ready to go. Let's move in. Wow. Get on there. How skinny. Now we take downstairs. Perfect. This vlog is definitely all over the place. I just woke up, if you can't tell, by the way I sound and by the way I look. It is currently the Tuesday before I leave. So I leave in 2 days. It's so crazy. It's coming up. Yesterday was my last day at my part-time job and it was so sad. I literally started crying when I was like straightening the racks to close the store. It made me so emotional. But I have today off and I have tomorrow off. And it's just gonna be spent getting everything ready, doing last minute errands. I just sat down to my laptop and last night I actually signed my lease officially. Thank goodness. I just have like
a couple questions I have to ask. I need to schedule my move-in. I have to pay my first month's rent. And then I think I'm pretty much set with that. Today, like I said, is a packing day, but I have to go to Target. I have to go back to my work because last night I forgot to clock out and I forgot to take my food home. I totally could have avoided that, but I was so overwhelmed in the moment. And last night I talked to my good friends, Kayla and Reagan. And then today, one of my best friends, Bailey, is coming over. I hope she doesn't mind like watching me pack because that's what I'm gonna be doing. Mount Everest is still here. She's still super present. She's not as swollen. I put ice on her last night. Oh yeah, I also have to film for a brand today. Nothing like doing stuff at the last minute. That's me. Miss Procrastination. Well, things have taken a turn. Majorly taken a turn. I feel pretty though, so that's nice. I just get really overwhelmed really quickly. I was having a good morning. I'm in my studio. I was having a good morning, had my day planned out, knew exactly what I was gonna do today. And then like the emails just started coming in. I'm like in contact with my realtor person, with my new superintendent, still finalizing the lease and all of that. And it literally just got too much. And my friend is coming over and I'm like trying to get it all done before she gets here. And I am overwhelmed by the amount of things that I have to do now. I knew there was a lot to do, but now it's like all piling up and I can't take a breath and I can't breathe. I haven't eaten. I'm only drinking coffee this morning. Yay, great. So this lighting and setup is a little questionable, but this isn't really like moving vlog related, but a couple of vlogs ago, I talked a little bit about Dossier and I have a little more details. I have a discount code for you, so I thought I would explain in full. I'm also a little bit more knowledgeable about the company. So who is Dossier? Dossier is a luxury-inspired fragrance brand at a fraction of the designer brand label. No markups. It's vegan and cruelty-free. They also do free returns and exchanges. All of their scents are between $29 and $49. They have women's scents, men's scents. They also have unisex scents. Truly something for everybody. They're also constantly updating their stock with new scents. So Dossier reached out to me and I got to choose 2 scents. So I have Floriental Almond and Floral Pear. Both of them are so, so nice. So what you can expect from Dossier is this cute little box. And when you open it, it comes with a care card. Super cute packaging, has a little bit of info up here. Made in France, risk-free order, clean ingredients. So with each scent, it comes with a details card, like the notes of the scent, what designer perfume this is inspired by. So this one is the Floriental Almond. So you get your perfume, you also get a little sampler. So in case you don't like it, you can send it back. But this one is inspired by Carolina Herrera's Good Girl perfume. Good Girl retails for $98 and Floriental Almond is $29. So that shows you what a good deal you're getting. And then this is the Floral Pear one. And on the inside it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So Floral Pear is inspired by Jo Malone's English Pear and Freesia. I didn't look up the price of this Jo Malone scent, but I know Jo Malone is typically very pricey. So, and I believe this one was $29 as well. Another thing that I've really been loving about the Dossier scents is they do last all day long. I can still smell it at the end of the day, which is awesome because I can't stand when I don't, you know, smell nice. So Dossier gave me the hookup. They gave me a 10% code to share with you. It's Madalyn10. Also, they're doing a 20% welcome discount that you can stack on top of my 10% discount. So you can get 30% off your first order, which is truly crazy. These would be awesome gifts. I know that Mother's Day is coming up and even Father's Day. Like I mentioned earlier, they have men's scents and colognes. So I will leave Dossier down in a link below. Please let me know if you go and shop with them and what scents you get. So thank you so much to Dossier. So let's point out for the 1000th time how all over the place this vlog is. I'm currently driving. I know this isn't safe, but I'm in my neighborhood and I didn't have any other time to update you, but I am in a very big rush. I actually have a COVID test in like 15 minutes, not because I was exposed to it or I think I have it. I am trying to get a negative one before I leave, just in case someone asks for it. And I'm really not happy about it because I wanted to go the whole pandemic without getting one. I have never gotten COVID, knock on wood. And I have just found out that it's a self-swab test. To me, that is just the most terrible thing that someone can go through. Like, I don't want to hurt myself. I know that I will be hurting myself and making myself uncomfortable. And it's truly just gonna be a mess. Just kidding, it starts in 10 minutes. And I have, whoa, there's a bug. And I have no gas in my car, so I'm literally about to go put $5 in it because, one, I'm not gonna have my car anymore, so why would I put a lot of money into it? And two, I have to go sit and wait in the parking lot for my COVID test, and like, I don't know how long I'm gonna be sitting there. It's also a rapid test, so I'm gonna be getting it, I think, like, after I do it. How am I feeling today? I was honestly feeling okay. Then all of the things that I have to do just start piling up. And I'm like, okay, I've got 10 things to do. I have to do them in this order. And a lot of the stuff is just stuff that I simply don't want to do. I don't know what I'm gonna film. I'm gonna be focused today. So catch you guys later. I just had my test. As long as I am breathing and I am on this earth, I will never do that again. I didn't know something could go so far back, and it didn't help that I was doing it to myself. I'm sad. I literally want to cry. I know I'm negative, but can you imagine if it came back positive? That would not be funny, actually. But like, I've gone the whole pandemic without it, and I don't plan getting it. I am actually eligible for the vaccine. And it's funny because the state that like I'm a resident in currently, today is the day that I would be eligible for it, and I leave for New York tomorrow. So I have to become a New York resident before I can get the COVID vaccine. I have to wait on my results. Will report. I know they're gonna be negative. It was horrible, and I already have a headache this morning. She's negative, but we all knew that. Do you guys want to see the packing situation? I just did my hair. I'm about to put makeup on. Gonna film some final stuff before I leave because I honestly like don't want to have to worry about it and not edit while I'm moving in because I know I'm gonna be stressed and like that's the last thing I want to worry about. But this is what we're working with. Let me know in the comments who thinks we can get all of this in my mom's SUV. This isn't even everything. We're officially packing the car. Not great lighting, I know. Things have taken a turn. We've pretty much filled up the entire car. And we have all of that in there. I have no idea what we're gonna do. But we've got a long night ahead of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off while tensions are high. I don't want to put that energy onto you guys. So that is going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, be sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Actually, definitely subscribe and turn my notifications on because all the New York content is coming soon. And I'm going to start a brand new moving vlog tomorrow. So that's going to involve like the drive up there and then officially moving in on Friday, getting my apartment set up, all that really fun stuff. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram at Madalyn_hair, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.